Hello guys, welcome back to the new video and this is YORVJ. Yesterday I went to Kala Ghoda Art Festival happening in South Mumbai. This festival is being organized by Kala Ghoda Association since 1999. So this is the 20th year of Kala Ghoda Art Festival. Actually this is 9 days long event starting on first Saturday of February and ending on the second Sunday. So in total 9 days there are various activities being carried out at this particular place. There are stalls, there is music, there are games for children, there are artwork. The main purpose of this particular event is to promote and encourage arts and culture to the coming generation. Here are some of the glimpses of that particular event. Let us enjoy.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
कैसे याद किया गुलफाम जिन को मेरे आका, आपका गुलफाम जिन हाजिर हो चुका है मेरे आका.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
So these are the few things I got to see at the event. I must say, अगर आपको काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल एक्चुअली इन डिटेल देखना है देन गो एंड विजिट kalaghodaassociation.com. वहाँ पे आपको 9 days इवेंट का कंप्लीट शेड्यूल आपको मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली एन्जॉय एवरीथिंग आउट देयर. So because there are many other things also in the field of cinema, for children, for art and dance. So many things are there which are the mixture of arts and culture. So go and enjoy Kala Ghoda Festival. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and most important, अगर कुछ suggestions है, कुछ comments है, then comment section is available for you. Do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I'll be uploading a new video, आपको notification मिलेगी and you won't miss the content. Till then, dream big, work hard and never give up.